In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new accountant in QuickBooks. Whether you're a business owner looking to streamline your accounting process or just trying to keep your finances organized, adding an accountant to your QuickBooks account can help. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the QuickBooks homepage. This is your central hub for all accounting activities, making it the perfect place to initiate this process. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so using your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, ensuring you know where key features are, as this will make navigation easier. Next, you'll need to click on the menu. This menu acts as your main navigation tool within QuickBooks, providing you with easy access to all features and settings. Look for the icon or button that signifies the menu, which is usually located at the top or side of your dashboard. Clicking this will reveal a list of options available for managing your account, and it may also include some subcategories that group similar functions together. From the menu, select the My Accountant option. This section is where you manage all things related to accountants and accounting firms that have access to your QuickBooks account. It's an essential part of maintaining transparency and collaboration between you and anyone else managing your finances. You'll see a list of current accountants who have access, and this is where you can make any necessary adjustments, add new accountants, or remove existing ones. Now, it's time to add another accountant. You'll notice an option labeled Add Another Accountant on this page. Click on this, and a prompt will pop up. This is where you'll enter the details of the new accountant you're adding. Make sure you have the required information ready, such as their email address and any relevant credentialing information, to streamline the process. Finally, you'll come to the Add Accountant button. Clicking on this finalizes the addition of the new accountant to your QuickBooks account. It's crucial to ensure all the information provided is accurate, as this grants the accountant access to sensitive financial data. After you've double-checked everything, click Add Accountant, and voila, your new accountant will receive an invitation to collaborate with you on managing your financial data. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new accountant to your QuickBooks account. This will allow you to have expert oversight on your financials and ensure your reports and books are accurately maintained. Remember, adding an accountant is a great step towards a more organized and efficient financial management process. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher, and don't hesitate to explore other QuickBooks features to enhance your business's accounting capabilities.